Okay. Deck Boss here. We are wrapped up on this project here. Railings are in. Landing is there. Stairs are all set. Solid. All of our railings are in. All our trim work's done. Okay. On to the next project. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next. And then we'll be heading to another city. I'm thinking it's gonna be East Hartford. Yeah. So, anyways, this thing is all wrapped up. This is a reskin, and took all the decking boards out. Constructed a new staircase. That's all set. All of our lateral tension ties are in. Put some new flashing in. Did some hurricane ties on this other side over there. And we're all set. We're out.